The Gin Guild is a lot of people that love gin, a lot of people that make gin, and people that are gin adjacent that all get together in a room and they put on fancy suits and drink gin. I think that's about it, right? So when a company comes along and makes something that's not really gin and calls it gin, they're the ones that step in and protect the gin category so that the ones doing the right thing are celebrated.
So to be inducted into the Gin Guild, you have to be able to demonstrate services to the kind of championing and kind of protection of gin as that category. So those who are producing it, those who are representing it, serving it. I was very fortunate to be inducted into the Gin Guild in 2016. You know, you go to the Lord Mayor's house, it's a very lovely ceremony of kind of being able to kind of recite the oath to gin, holding juniper berries, and it's a lovely black tie affair with some kind of like some of the wonderful rituals of the Worshipful Company of Distillers kind of folded in as part of it, which is very secret. You have to be inducted to be able to know the full score of things. If you are given freedom of the City of London, which you are if you are inducted into one of the livery companies, livery, I never know how to say it, livery companies. You can edit this, right? Livery. Well, firstly, it means that you are allowed to be hung with silk instead of rope. So that is a bonus to have in your back pocket if you ever are done for treason. And you are also permitted to walk your sheep across London Bridge, which, again, really useful thing to be able to do once you have freedom of the city.